I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to apply upper eyeliner. First, let's get ready. You'll need your favorite eyeliner, whether that's a liquid, gel, or pencil. If you're using gel, grab a small angled brush. Make sure your eyelids are super clean and dry, free from any oils. For an even smoother and longer-lasting look, a quick swipe of eyeshadow primer can make all the difference. Now, let's create that perfect baseline. Begin by drawing tiny, connected dashes right along your upper lash line, starting from the inner corner of your eye. The key here is to stay as close to your lashes as possible. This gives a really natural, defined look. As you move towards the outer corner, you can gently thicken the line to your desired intensity. Ready to add a little flair? For a classic winged look, extend a thin line upwards from the outer corner of your eye, aiming it towards the tail of your eyebrow. Then, connect this new line back to your main lash line, creating a small, open triangle. Carefully fill in any gaps within that triangle and gently smooth out the entire line for a beautifully seamless and polished finish. Almost done. Take a moment to check for symmetry between both eyes. It's totally normal if they're not identical, just make small adjustments. If you have any little smudges, a cotton swab with a tiny bit of makeup remover works wonders for a cleanup. Finally, a few coats of your favorite mascara will perfectly complete your stunning upper eyeliner look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.